Look, it's coming down.
Oh, this is a tornado?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look, that's
wow.
the tornado. See the tornado? Wow, it's hitting the ground. Look at the tornado.
That's a tornado. There you go. One way.
Is this the jungle?
Huh? I think so.
Jungle, but
Let's see. What is it? Stop. Watch for children. Walk right there. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So this is very spontaneous na na gala. So this is 1 hour from our house. Little town called Hutch. So dito kami ngayon sa Dillon's Nature Center. Trail map. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. Ooh. Why does size matter with matter? Oh, look at you. The underground theater. That's so cool.
That's a fish.
Yeah, a fish. A sun tracker. Oh, that's so cool. Getting around. Oh.
see a turtle? Is it alive?
Amazing plants. Lift and learn. Oh, this is so cool, baby. Look at this. Oh, there are nests. This is so cool.
Wow.
Yeah, that's part of the big fish we see. The large mouth bass hunts insects above the surface.
There's another one.
Look at that.
There's a turtle right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
There's a nurse.
Oh, there's even a possum and a deer.
Here.
Yeah, you see the deer?
Yeah, and there's a bird.
Oh, there's geese. Baby, look. Mammals, lift and learn. Ta-da! This is educational. Kansas smallest mammal.
There's a bird over there, guys. See that bird?
Is that a poo-poo?
That poo-poo? Yeah. What is it, Luke? What is it? It's a hamster.
No, let's find the name here. It's a
It's a...
black-tailed prairie dog. Like that. Can you see it? Push the button. Yeah, push the button like this. Push it.
So it's an arrow, look.
It's gonna be
Tornadoes can be pretty scary, can't they? See a tornado? Look.
That is so
See a
cool.
tornado?
That is so cool. Wow. Wow. It's a tornado.
Try that again, Mommy.
Do it. Do it.
No, that's not what it's got.
Solar energy. That's malayo. So, dun kami. Kasi 1.8 kilometers yung doon, yung isa. So, the Jim Smith family playscape. Ding, 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 ding. 5 kids in a tree. Oh, this is pretty. It's so pretty. Build your own habitat area. Ah, nice garden. May basil, flowers, strawberries.
Two lizards up there fighting. And one of these lizards. I picked a frog up.
What?
You watch, it's going to take off. Yeah, let me pull over here and you can see it. It's a little plane.
It's a very orange plane.
Can you see it?
It's not taking off.
It's not taking off yet, but it will. Look, it's lining up. It's going to turn. And it's going to take off. Watch. He's about to take off. He's going to start speeding up now. Okay, here he comes. Watch. Can you see him now? You watch. There he goes. He's taking off. Watch. Look, he's taking off already.
Ooh.
See?
He's doing it.
He's doing
He's taking
it.
off, see?
Bye-bye.
Hi, orange plane.
Hi, orange plane.
Bye, orange plane.